Hello children, good morning all of you. How are you today? I hope you all are fine. Today your Aditi teacher is back again with one more pre-writing pattern. Okay? So let me show you one object. What is this? Yes, this is a pepper stick. So till now you have learned standing line, that is from top to bottom. Then you have learned sleeping line from left to right. Then you have learned backward slant line from left to right. Then you have learned forward slant line from right to left, isn't it? Yes, and one more pattern you have learned. Which pattern? Yes, you have learned right open curve. Very good children. Now, see, I am changing the position. Now see which shape? Yes. Now see which pattern it is? Yes, today you are going to learn about left open curve. Okay? Today you are going to learn about left open curve. So I will show you what all patterns we have learned till now. Okay? We have learned standing line, sleeping line, forward slant line, backward slant line, and right open curve. And now today we are going to learn left open curve. Which pattern we are going to learn today? This left open curve. Okay? So let me show you some objects. Can you see what is this? I made a paper moon. Okay? Can you see the shape? Yes, it is a left open curve. Can you see? Left open curve. Okay? Now what I have next? Yes, I have a mug. So can you see the handle shape? Yes, it is also showing left open curve, isn't it? Can you see the shape of the handle? Yes. One more cup I have. See? Can you see the handle shape? Yes. See? Left open curve, isn't it? Yes. Now I will show you one more object. Can you see what is this? Yes, this is a strainer. Okay? This is a kitchen tool. Okay? Which your mom uses every day, isn't it? Yes. So can you see the strainer shape? Yes, from top to bottom, left open curve. See, from outside you can see left open curve, isn't it? Then what I have? Yes, cap. So can you see the cap shape? Yes. So from up to down, can you see this curve? Yes, left open curve. See? Left open curve. Left open curve. Isn't it? Yes. Now children, I am going to show you how to write left open curve in your book. Okay? So first of all, I am going to show you how to write on the slate. Okay? You can also have the practice on the slate. Okay? Yes. So these are the boxes. Okay? So you are going to write left open curve in the box. Okay? Yes. So now I am going to write on the slate. Just you have to observe. Okay? How to write. From up to down like this. Okay? Yes. Left open curve. See how to write. Left open curve. Again see how am I writing? Left open curve. Can you see? will write some more. Yes, left open curve. Wow. Okay. So now I am going to show you how to write in 4 lines. Okay. So can you see these 4 lines? As in your notebook, you can see pink line, blue line, and again one more pink line. Okay. So you have to start from the first pink line and you have to come down till second blue line. Okay. You will not cross this blue line. You will not touch this last pink line. Okay. See how am I writing? Yes. Left open curve. Isn't it? Start from the pink line. Come down to second blue line. Isn't it? Yes. Wow. Left open curve. Okay. One more I am going to draw. Yes. So, which pre-writing pattern you are learning today? Left open curve. Very good, children. Now, we will write in your book number 1. Okay? So, get ready with your book number 1 and one pencil. Yes. Okay, children. Are you all ready with your book number 1? Very good. So, now you have to open page number 9. I know you can open the page. Okay? If you are still not able to open, you can take the help of your parents. Okay? Yes. So, today we are learning left open curve. Okay? Have you all opened page number 9? See at the bottom of the page, in the right corner, you can see the number. Yes. So, today we are learning left open curve. Okay? So, can you see the directions? Yes. You have to trace it with your pointer finger. Show me your pointer finger. Yes, very good. So, you have to trace it like this. Left open curve. Left open curve. Very good. Before we begin, you should write CW at the center of the page. Okay? Yes, write down CW. Yes, and today's date in the right corner. Okay, what is today's date? 29.7. Yes, have you all written? Very good. Now I am going to read this question. Tick the left open curves. Okay, I know you are able to do tick, isn't it? Yes, how to tick? Slanting line, again slanting line. This is a tick sign. Okay, so you have to tick the left open curves. So, can you see which pattern it is? Is it left open curve? Yes, it is looking like same, isn't it? So, what should I do? Yes, tick it. Very good. Then next, what it is? Forward slant line. Is it left open curve? No, so you will keep it as it is. Now next, which pattern it is? Yes, sleeping line. Is it left open curve? No, so also you will keep it as it is. Okay. Then next, is it left open curve? Yes, it looks like same, isn't it? So what we have to do? Yes, we have to tick it. Then comes, is it left open curve? No, it is standing line. So we will keep it as it is. Don't put cross or anything. Okay, keep it as it is. Then which pattern it is? Yes, absolutely correct. It is left open curve. So we have to tick it. Yes. Then again, what is this? Forward slant line. So are we supposed to tick it? No, we have to keep it as it is. And the last one? Yes, it is same, left open curve. So what we have to do? We have to tick. Very good. Now open page number 10. Just turn the page and you will come to this page. Can you see page number 10? Okay. So have you all opened page number 10? Very good. Now let's read the question. Trace and write the left open curves. Okay. So can you see left open curves here? Yes. So first you have to follow the directions and you have to trace these dots. Okay? Yes. So trace it along with me. Yes. Wow. Isn't it so easy? Very good, children. As I have shown you on the slate, as like this, you have to write left open curve in these boxes. Okay? Come on, let's do along with me. Left open curve. Wow, beautiful. Come on, do it fast. Left open curve. Now again, in this box, you have to trace these lines. Okay? Trace it. Yes. Hold the pencil properly. Yes, very good. Now, write down left open curve. Left open curve. You have to say while writing, okay? In this way, we have done classwork, okay? Very good. Now, we have done writing left open curve in our book number 1. Now, we will write left open curve again in your notebook, okay? So, are you all ready with your 4-line notebook? Okay, just take your 4-line notebook and go to a new page. Yes. So, here is my new page, okay? So, on this page, you have to write CW. I have used sketch pen because it should be visible to you, but you are going to use pencil, okay? So, with the help of pencil, you have to write CW and today's date in the right corner, okay? Very good. Now, I am going to use sketch pen to complete the classwork, but you all will use pencil, okay? So, how to hold? Hold it properly. Yes, come on and start writing. Yes, you have to write left open curve. Okay, you will start from first red line and you will come down to second blue line. Okay, see? Can you see how I have written? Yes, so as like this, you also have to write. Okay, come on, let's do along with me. Yes, and while writing, you have to say left open curve. Left open curve. Yes, very good. Now, on the next line, left open curve. Left open curve. Come on, do along with me. Hold the pencil properly. Very good, children. We have to complete the page, okay? So do it fast. Yes, I know you have learned this pattern in nursery, okay? So you have to do it fast. Very good. And I want neat and clean work, okay? Teacher don't like shabby work. Yes, very good. Left open curve. Left open curve, okay? Yes, so in this way you have to finish the whole page, okay? Yes, very good, children, very good. Come on, do it fast. Yes, only last row is remaining, okay? Very good. And we have done with our classwork. Can you see? Yes. So as like this, you also have to complete the whole page. Okay? So children, have you all completed your classwork? Have you done along with me? Okay, that's great. Now let's do one activity. Okay? And I hope you will surely like that activity. Okay? So let's get started. So children, for this activity, we will need a plate, a big plate, and I have taken semolina, that is suji. In Marathi we call it as rava. You can take that, or you can take any kind of flour, that is maida or wheat flour, okay? So here I have taken suji, okay? So in this suji you have to trace left open curve by using your pointer finger. Okay, show me your pointer finger. Yes, so with the help of this finger, I am going to show you how to draw left open curve. Okay, let's see. From up to down. See, left open curve. Can you see? With the help of your pointer finger, you have to draw left open curve. Again, I want to show you. Okay, see how to draw left open curve. Yes, left open curve. Left open curve. Wow! Isn't it so interesting? Yes, you can also have such activity at your home. Okay? Yes. So children, have you enjoyed the activity? Okay. And you can do it at your home. Okay? So today what we have learned? Yes, we have learned left open curve. Okay? This is a pre-writing pattern. Yes, very good. So that's what all about today. See you in the next session. Till the time, bye.